Hey everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Training System, and it's Sunday, the 21st July 2019, and this is the weekly outlook for spot gold, XauUsd. And last week there was a bullish breakout of the triangle. However, on the Friday it pulled back in below the upper triangle trend line after hitting a weekly R2 resistance level. I've added the weekly pivot levels and also a monthly pivot level. And pull back inside and almost retested the support zone again. So this week there could be some interesting moves on spot gold, and depending the effect from the US dollar, whether it's going to weaken or strengthen for the week. There is a couple of US economic news, the durable goods on Thursday and advanced GDP on Friday, which I don't think will impact the dollar too much coming towards the end of the month. So a couple of interesting observations here. We've got the longer term Fibonacci bullish continuation move, and the 162 level is at 1462. So we'll see when it may try to hit that level, if it can find support. And the nearer term Fibonacci level, this is the swing high previously, where it broke out higher and then pulled back in. So there could be a couple of scenarios for this week. There could be a attempt to retest the weekly R1 level, and then perhaps pull back down lower to the support zone. It could even go all the way down to the weekly pivot, where it should find support, and from there attempt to break out higher and to see whether it can break up above the weekly R1 pivot level again for the week, or whether it just consolidates between these two zones. Okay, so that's one observation for the week, and we can follow up on Tuesday and Thursday in our intraday analysis. The other thing to note is, prior to breaking out of the triangle, it is already likely to push up higher as a bullish continuation move, because this is the flagpole and a pennant formation chart pattern here. If we try to narrow it down further, you can see this potential flagpole and pennant, and on a weekly chart, if that bullish continuation move, this is just a consolidation and a pause inside this pennant or triangle, and it could continue higher towards the next swing lows, previous swing lows up here at around 1500, 1530. But from a technical analysis point of view, this flagpole, the height of this flagpole, which was around 1700 pips, and it could, if it continues, if it does break out and close above the pennant for the week, then there's potential of let's say the entry from this breakout around 14.29 or 14.30. Let's round it up, 14.30, and 1,700 pips, which is about $170. That will bring us to a nice round number of 1,600. So on the monthly chart, 1,600 is right here near this shoulder or small swing high area. So there is a possible target for perhaps the end of the year or earlier, we'll see. Okay, so that's the second observation. But we'll follow up this week to see how the price action is for the rest of the week, and have a good trading week then. Cheers.